Meanwhile, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has withdrawn comments he made about yesterday's arrest and charge of the former education minister and his co-accused. Since he made the comments, Mr. Chuck has been facing criticism, including from the opposition. TVJ's Vashon Brown has this primetime news follow-up.
This was the Justice Minister on Wednesday, following police operations which ended in the arrest and charge of the former Education Minister and others.
The arrest took place, which looks like Nicodemus in the night. I don't get the impression that these persons are actually running away. They have made themselves available on all occasions. So in fact, if an arrest should have been made, they could easily have been asked to come in so that they could be charged. I think it's unfortunate that it has become so salacious in that, you put so many persons at these people's gate.
Opposition spokesperson on justice Donna Scott Motley responded Thursday, saying she was deeply disappointed with the comments by the Justice Minister and called for a withdrawal. She said the comments appear to have thrown doubt on the ongoing work of law enforcement agencies investigating the myriad of allegations surrounding those arrested. She called the minister's comments unfortunate. Those remarks, she argued, have the potential of undermining the investigative work of the police and fueling public skepticism and opposition to the ongoing corruption investigation. Mrs. Scott Motley also noted that the statement also signals to the international community that the Jamaican government is willing to interfere in and to influence police investigations and compromise the balance of justice for its own political expediency. Hours later on Thursday, the Justice Minister withdrew the comments.
My comments yesterday in relation to the arrest of Royal Reid, Fritz Pinnock and others was inspired by the fact that the media was present at all locations during this early morning raid. My daughter, who is one of the attorneys in the case, she and I lead separate, independent, professional lives. However, as Justice Minister, my comments were inappropriate and I duly withdraw them in their entirety.
Mr. Chuck's daughter, Carolyn Chuck, is the attorney for Royal Reid, his wife and daughter. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.